Hello guys, in this video, I want to introduce you about Encode. But before I explain this topic, please like, subscribe, comment, and share so that I will be more enthusiastic in making other interesting videos. Encode is a part of modify strings in Python. The encode method encodes the string using the specified encoding. If no encoding is specified, UTF-8 will be used. For syntax, I will show you in my screen. So I will make it as a command string dot encode. In encode, there are two parameter values, namely encoding and errors. Encoding is optional. A string specifying the encoding to use default is UTF-8. Errors are optional. A string specifying the error method. Legal values are first, \replace, count, ignore, third, name replace, fourth, strict, fifth, replace, sixth, XML, serve replace. Now, I will give you two examples for encode. The first example is like this. Let us see my screen. txt equals double quotation. My name is plus double quotation. Next, x equals txt dot encode round brackets. The last step, print with x in round brackets. You can see the result. Next, for the second example is like this. So I just paste in my keyboard. Okay, you can see the result. In this example, we use legal values of errors as parameter values. That's all from me guys. Hopefully this video is useful and see you in the next video.